What's going on, guys? USA Made here. Gonna do a pretty quick review of this Ontario Rat 1. Now, this is the knife that I leave in my truck, or at least the folding knife that I leave in my truck. Pretty cheap knife. I like having a dedicated just about everything for vehicle. So in case you need it, it's always there. You're not taking stuff out, moving it. This is just there. You know, you're in gym shorts, you don't have pocket knife, or you need a pocket knife for something. It's there when you need it. Now, this is a pretty large knife. That pretty quickly moved out of a daily carry knife just because of the size. At a 3.6 inch blade, it's pretty big. Here's it next to $1 so we can kind of see size comparison. It's a fairly large knife. It's actually probably one of the larger folding knives that I have, but it is good at what it does. And as a vehicle knife, it's good at that. Now, I've gone for the serrated and plain edge. I like having the options of having the serration. It does come with a full plain edge if that's what you prefer. Just for me, I enjoy having serrations on my knives. Now, it comes with G10 scales. It's a very non-aggressive G10. Very smooth, extremely fine texture here. Almost kind of slippery. Not the best. That's the one downside I see with this knife. Everything else, pretty much love. Like the skeletonized handle, easy to clean out. Debris doesn't get stuck in there. Liner lock is solid. Movement, none. Either way you go. It comes with this black coating. At least I chose one with a black coating on the knife. It chips. I don't know a knife out there that doesn't chip with this coating on it. Not a big deal. And with this AUS 8 steel, it picks up a great edge. I can get this thing razor sharp. Doesn't hold the edge the best. It's definitely not the worst. It's just a good option. I picked this up probably 6-8 years ago for about $28. Right now it's running $32 to $40 depending on the combination that you get. At that price point, even at the $40 high price point, I think it's a great buy. Solid buy, heavy knife, pocket clip, can go on all four sides. It's a great option. Something you should think about. The opening speed is nice. It's smooth, feels good. The thumbtacks here, you catch them nicely. Doesn't stick out too far. It's just enough. Thanks for watching. USA Made. Peace.